Welcome to our comparison of two popular dash cams, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the DELLFY Dash Cam. In this video, we'll dive deep into their specifications, features, and user experiences to help you make an informed choice. Let's start by looking at their key specifications. The VIOFO A129 Plus Duo records at 2K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, providing excellent clarity. In contrast, the DELLFY Dash Cam offers a higher resolution of 4K for the front and 2.5K for the rear, making it a strong contender for those prioritizing video quality. When it comes to night vision, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo is known for its excellent performance, capturing clear footage even in low-light conditions. On the other hand, the DELLFY Dash Cam, while it does have night vision, has been noted to struggle in darker environments, which may affect its usability during nighttime. In terms of pricing, the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo is priced at $189, reflecting its premium features and performance. In contrast, the DELLFY Dash Cam is significantly more affordable at $109, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers who still want quality recording capabilities. In conclusion, both the VIOFO A129 Plus Duo and the DELLFY Dash Cam have their strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize video quality and night vision, the VIOFO may be the better choice. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option with decent features, the DELLFY Dash Cam is worth considering. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.